Guys, my name is Shaima. Okay, in this tutorial video, we are going to do customized kitchen island like this image below. Okay, so first things first, you can go to customize and then go to kitchen cabinet. Okay, go to kitchen function. Then you can drag out this double door unit. Okay, drag to the floor and you can rotate it facing the other way. So to rotate it, you can press Z button on your keyboard and rotate it. Okay, then you can drag another carcass. I'm using a single door. Okay, drag to the side. You can snap it side by side like this, or if you're having hard time to snap them side by side, you can just use point capture. See point capture on top here? You can drag it by using this point. Select this point and drag it to this point. Okay, then you go back to 3-axis movement. Select this carcass and drag to the side. Okay, then you can see the gap between these two carcass 1490. This is the length. Okay, this is the gap between these two carcass. You can adjust. Let's say I adjust it 1002, then click enter. So you will know the distance between these two carcass. Alright, before that you can adjust this carcass sizing. Okay, the small carcass, you can adjust the size. Okay, this one I will reduce around 24250. Click enter. Okay, something like this. Then press escape to exit. Okay, the Z function. Then you can install the countertop. Okay, go to this install button. Okay, countertop installation. Okay, so you can see all these 4 boxes. Okay, you can choose the front profile. Okay, first box is for the front profile. Usually I will use the rectangle shape, standard rectangle shape. This one, TM11. Okay, double click and you can adjust the height. Okay, this is the height. Okay, I will change to 30 mm. And then since this design don't have backsplash, you can just delete this second box. This one is for the backsplash. Okay, you can delete it. Then you can choose the material. Okay, choose the material and then click generate. So this is a countertop. Now you need to cover the side and the back side, okay, of the carcass. So you can right click, go to create side countertop. Okay, starting from the right side here, you can select the side line first and you will see the setting. Okay, this one you can choose the 90-degree installation. Okay, 90-degree installation and then click generate. Do the same thing for the left side. Right click again, create side countertop, select the side line first, then go to 90-degree installation. Okay, before that you can also adjust the thickness, countertop thickness. You can untick and adjust your own thickness here. Alright, then click generate. Okay, for the back side also do the same thing. Right click, create side countertop, select the side line at the back, and then for the back side I will use the standard installation, not 90-degree. Okay, so you can select the first one now and then click generate. Okay, so it will cover the back and the side. Alright, and one more thing, for this side you can see the texture is not aligned with the back side. So to rotate the texture, you can right click on the countertop and go to material size. Okay, material size. This one you can click rotate. Okay, just tick this button to rotate the texture, then click OK. Okay, do the same thing on this side. Right click, material size, then tick the rotate button, then click OK. Alright, do the same thing for this side. Right click, create side countertop, select the side line first, and don't forget to choose 90-degree, then click generate. Right click, create side countertop, 90-degree, generate. Okay, and for the back side, you can choose the standard installation, the first one, then click generate. Okay, don't forget to rotate the material as well. Right click, material, material size. Okay, so done for the countertop and the side panels. Then we're going to drag another panel to do the second layer. Okay, on top here, do the second layer. You can drag panels from special board. Okay, so the first button you can go to special board. Second button you can go to see light board. You can use this panel, but this one you need to rotate the panel first. Okay, if you want to use horizontal panel, you can go to other. Okay, second button, go to other, you will see the super panel. Okay, this one, the panel is horizontal, you don't need to rotate it. Okay, so you just simply drag out. Okay, it will automatically snap to the floor like this. To adjust the position, okay, to move it up, you can press Z button, move up, or another method, you can use this ruler. Okay, use this ruler, go to worktop dimension and select this countertop. You can see all the dimension. Okay, so currently the height is say 780. Exclude the worktop up here. So the worktop thickness is 30 mm. So you can adjust this panel elevation. Okay, press escape to exit. Remember, elevation is the height from the floor. So you select the panel and adjust the elevation. Okay, the side panel height is 780 and then the tabletop thickness is 30 mm. So you just plus 30 mm. Okay, then you can just press Z button, move it to the center like this. Okay, and then from here you can select the panel and adjust the sizing. You can click the number, you will see this arrow, meaning you will extend or reduce this side. Okay, so here I will reduce 50 mm, minus 50. Okay, I'll make it 500. Okay, and then you can adjust the top and the bottom, okay, which is the depth. This one around 700, 750. Okay, something like this. You adjust the sizing first, and don't forget to adjust the thickness as well. Okay, thickness maybe make it around 60 to 50 to 60. 60 mm. Okay, so this is the panel. And then you can just copy this panel to the right. Okay, Control C, Control V, copy to the right, or you can just drag another panel. Okay, do the same thing, adjust the elevation first, 810, and then you press Z button, move the panel to here, and then you can adjust the sizing. Okay, start with the width. Here, maybe I make it around 2.5. So this is a depth. Yeah, this one is 2.5. Okay, and then the width maybe around 400. And then we can press Z button to adjust. So it's 500. So I'll make it 500 as well. Alright, and then adjust the thickness. Here is 60 mm. So this is how it looks like. Okay, and then lastly, you can put another panel on top. Okay, you can drag another panel up here, or you can just copy the panel to the top. Okay, so this one you can adjust the size according to the countertop, the original countertop here. You can go to this ruler, go to worktop dimension. Okay, now you can see the side lah. Okay, the side is 580, 57 to 580. So you can select the panel, adjust the size as well, 580. 550, and then the back side is 600. Okay, something like this. And then you can extend the left and right side. Okay, for the depth, I plus another 50 mm. Sorry, the back side 50 mm. Okay, and then the right side, I adjust plus another 2000. Okay, so you need to adjust the sizing manually lah. 2006. Four five zero. Okay, something like this, and you can adjust the thickness as well. Thickness maybe 50. Okay, so done for the tabletop. Okay, and then you can select the panel first and change the material down here. Okay, you can scroll down, change the material, change to black color. Then you can use the material painter, okay, to go to this brush icon, material painter, copy this color and paste to this panel. Okay, and then for the top, you can change the color. Change to this marble. Okay, so this is how it looks like after you change the color. Okay, and for the front side, you can adjust a bit. Okay, the front side is like this. Okay, it's either you delete the door and then you create side countertop to cover the front side. Okay, or you just leave the door like this. Later you can just install the skirting. Okay, for skirting you can go to install button, base molding, base strip installation. Okay, so it will highlight the bottom surface, and then you can choose the skirting profile. Okay, and then the second button is to choose the skirting color. You can rotate the texture as well. Okay, take this button to rotate, then click OK. So this is skirting. Alright, to change the door color, you can right click on the wall, all material, door material. Okay, door material. Or you can just use the copy paste method. Okay, go to this brush icon, material painter, copy the color, paste the color. Okay, copy and paste the color. Alright, so that's how to change the color lah. So this is the final look. Okay, to drag some finishing, maybe you can use AI decorative accent. Okay, it will auto put decoration on top of the counter table, or you can drag out from library. Okay, we have a few decoration from library. You can go to decoration, kitchen supplies. Okay, all the fruits, okay, food, drinks is inside here. If you want to drag electrical item, you can go to electrical, kitchen appliances. Then you can go to other, all the small appliances is inside here lah. Okay, you can see the coffee machine, blender, rice cooker, everything's inside here. To drag a bar stool, you can go to furniture, go to chair, and you can go to bar stool. You can drag a few bar stool here. Okay, to copy it, you can press shift button. Okay, hold your shift button and then drag the arrow out. This is the easiest way to copy. Press shift, okay, hold your shift button and drag the arrow out. Or you can just press this button, this button to copy. Okay, select the item, press this copy button to copy. Okay, so this is a final look. You guys can try out. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.